Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to give you some information as to how you can generate more leads for your business offering CCTV installation as well as their maintenance. You'll be amazed to find that the searches for the Keyphrase security system installer is about 2400. That means over a span of 30 days, 2400 people search for this Keyphrase on Google. It shows that Google is the first place people looking to install CCTV cameras and maintain them look forward to find the best service provider. Now we're going to talk about how we helped one of our clients offering similar services to attain more business leads online. The client approached us to develop their landing pages along with the website, and we worked on the pages based upon our expertise and even helped to set up call to action. Then we turned our focus towards organic SEO, and the idea was to rank them on the top of Google so that they can attain most relevant traffic. Post setting up of all the technical aspects of SEO, the focus was on link building as well as content optimization and marketing. Post 5 to 6 months of diligent efforts into SEO, we were able to deliver good results to the client. 60% increase in users, new users as well as sessions were recorded through Google Analytics. As you can see in the stats, page views also improved by almost 55%. All this was possible just because the rankings improved for targeted key phrases. We achieved the goals through organic SEO and were able to generate 275 plus leads for this client online using best SEO practices. We at Softrix are committed to deliver results, and in case you are running a similar business and are looking to generate more leads online, feel free to get in touch with us through our website. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks once again.